In this episode, we install a cavity slider door unit. We're doing some ceiling battens and a little bit of framing. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to the latest episode for this build series where we're doing a home remodel, building some new bathrooms and extending a bedroom. If you haven't seen the series from the beginning, I'll put a link up here and a link in the description so you can get back to episode 1. Now, this week we've had a bit of a delay. There's been a last minute change of spec and it's had a bit of a knock-on effect, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that shortly. So as you know, and for those that have been following along, there's a specific sequence of events to do this project. We need to have a toilet set up in the ensuite before we demolish the existing toilet, and we need to demolish the existing toilet before we can frame the new bathroom, and we need to have the new bathroom in so we can get the new shower in, so then we can demolish the wall between the bedroom where the temporary shower will be in the bath. The delay that we're having is that the toilet for the ensuite has had a change of spec. It's gone from being a fully wall-hung toilet unit to just being a recessed cistern with a floor-mounted pan. Now the pan is on order and won't arrive until we're on Friday now and won't arrive till Monday. So this has been a change that's gone from Tuesday, so it's almost a week delay that we're having. So as you can see, a small change in spec can create quite a big knock-on effect, especially if you're working to a tight schedule. Now the schedule is tight, but it's not too tight that it doesn't allow for situations like this. So what we can do is we can juggle things around and we can do some of the stuff that we were going to be doing next week, this week. So that includes fitting some doors, part of the framing for the bathroom, and the ceiling in the ensuite. So on this project, I've decided to use off-the-shelf cavity slider units. These are separate items. You buy the door leaf and you buy the pocket. Put it all together, attach the components, and you've got your cavity slider ready to install. So that's the cavity slider in. We've got some ceiling battens sorted. We are ready to put a ceiling and wall lining on the ensuite. So the plumber can fit off the toilet, and then we can get into the next stage where we remove the existing toilet and demo the walls in that area. I didn't quite get to framing today, but we'll be into that next week. It's a Friday, I'm ready to go home, put my feet up. So hope you enjoyed that episode. Make sure you subscribe and hit notifications, stay in the loop so you don't miss each episode as it drops. Also, if you're not, give me a follow on Instagram. I post quite regularly on there, especially on the Insta stories, so you can really follow what I'm doing day to day and get in on the conversation, get in on the community. Love to hear from you.